welcome back to SV Jus Dreaming. So this is our weekly captain's log, which I usually do on Sundays, just to show the progress of where we're at with the boat as far as the refit goes. We've got a lot of stuff finished. A lot of stuff is done. As far as getting back in the water for May 1st, I don't know. We'll see. We really want to try to get out of here as soon as possible, but there's still a lot to do. I've got to hook up all my solar panels. I got a tremendous amount of electrical and wiring and stuff to do as far as finishing the hooking up the inverter, and there's just a lot to do yet. So we'll see, but you know, I am seeing things come together. Gail has got her fabrics in for the back cockpit area, so we're going to be putting up an isinglass enclosure all the way around with sunscreens or sunshade screens also. And I don't know, we may do bug screening as well on that. We're not sure. People say that the no-see-ums are so small that they go right through the screening materials, so they're kind of a waste of time. But I don't know. We'll see how we feel. But there's still a lot to do. But this is what we've gotten done so far. So let's just take a look at that. Okay. One thing that we did was we replaced almost all of the acrylic glass in the boat this last couple weeks. So these are this is the door, one of the door panels. Wipe this off a little bit. That's not too bad. You can get an idea of what it looked like. It was all full of little scratches. I don't know if you can see that or not, but anyway, full of the sun had just gotten to it and just started cracking the acrylic apart. So it needed to be replaced. And pull this out. Here's another piece. This is a surface, one of the deck hatches. You can see that it's in really bad shape. These are actually brittle. If a big wave hits this, they could cave in. So it was actually a safety hazard. So anyway, that's takes care of that. We got a new ice chest that just fits perfectly between these two. They're solid. I was able to rig up an automatic drain. So that's going to drain automatically. Here's the new acrylic door over here. And we even got our rod holders up. So we're starting to get serious about getting out of here. Okay, so let's go on in. And this is our finished living room. Now down here we have that all done. There's our ice maker. That helps keep that little ice chest full of ice. And our finished cabinet there. Okay, in the bathroom, finished this cabinet, and we're actually we're getting stored up. So we're buying stores of food. We're probably somewhere around 60 to 90 days worth of food on board at this point. So we're continually buying and storing up. So anyway, that's what this cabinet was for, and now it's done. Okay, something I don't think I've ever shown you guys is this little step here. That was something that I built early on because it was hard to get from this floor up into bed. and we had a little step here. It was hard to hit. Now under here is a whole bunch of storage, and we've got a lot more food stored here. We're able to get like these, you know, when you're out sailing, I think what we're going to really want is stuff that's easy to prepare. So we get these, Gail found a whole bunch of these little ration packs, I guess you'd call them, but they've got a little beef stew and some crackers and some cookies, and you know, because sometimes when you're out sailing, my understanding, a little fruit cup, you're just tired. I mean, you don't feel like cooking when you're, you know, living on 3 hours, 3 hours on, 3 hours off. You're not going to sit down and make a big dinner of some kind. So we've got a lot of stuff that's real easy to fix up on the fly and just keep going. So it's things like that. Okay, this is more of our woodworking craft here. So we've got most of the cupboards and shelving done at this point. So all I've got left to do here is to put these doors and end panels on, which I've already made. So as soon as I get that done, then we'll be done with that part of our project. I realize this is a good opportunity to look through our new acrylic lenses. Look how pretty that is. We're so happy about these. I can't believe how bad those old acrylic hatches looked. They were really in bad shape. Okay, so how do you pack literally hundreds of videos into a small area? First off, you take them out of their original case and you go to Walmart and you buy these little cases, and you cut the label off and put the video in the case. So that way it takes up a lot less space, and you can just literally have hundreds of videos, that as many as you want. It doesn't take up much space. So anyway, that's what we did there. Okay, the guest bedroom is still somewhat of a mess, but I did manage to get this cupboard done, and I think that came out really nice. Very happy with how those look. I've still got a heck of a mess. We're going to replace this mattress after we're done using it as a workbench. Well, now all that's left is for me to load this video into my computer, and then I can go ahead and edit it and get ready to post it on YouTube. So that's our captain's log for Sunday. I gotta find out what today's date is. Let's see, it's Sunday, April 8th. So hope you all having a good weekend, and thanks for watching. And on YouTube, if you wouldn't mind, click the like button, because that really helps us out. That'll make the search engine for YouTube load our videos up more readily, and so we'll gain a bigger audience, which is what we're looking to do. Thank you.